Today we are here at InnovaPoint office and we have Mr. Amitabh Chaturvedi, Director InnovaPoint. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Could you please let us know more about InnovaPoint?
Thank you here for visiting. So InnovaPoint is a seasoned IT company. We are in business for last 17 years and we have been offering various IT services to our primarily overseas clients. These services are mostly in the application development area. We normally build various corporate applications, could be e-commerce or could be customer portals, could be product portals. These are normally peripheral to the ERP systems. So we take data from ERP systems and build these solutions and then take the data, maybe orders and such, back to ERP systems. So that's the kind of work InnovaPoint has been doing. And then for last 4 to 5 years, we have come up with our own Industry 4.0 platform called sfHawk.
17 years, InnovaPoint is a known brand in the market. But this IMTEX, we are going to witness something very different, a new brand, sfHawk.
So here, sfHawk, let me first tell you the name. SF stands for Smart Factory, and Hawk is like it keeps a good eye on the factory. So sfHawk is a platform. It helps the factories in various aspects. For example, it helps in improving their overall efficiency or OEE. It helps in quality improvement. It helps in addressing the traceability related challenges which many customers have started asking. So it helps in, as I mentioned earlier, it helps in quality improvement. It helps in efficiency. It offers the real-time production monitoring. It helps in traceability. It also has the condition monitoring or machine maintenance aspects to it. It helps in doing better PPC or the better production planning. So that makes it very, very comprehensive offering when it comes to machine shop solution. Pressure die casting to the heat treatment, to the machining, then maybe leak testing, maybe then CMM, and finally to the shipping. This entire thing we digitize. We take data or we connect all these in one platform, and we have centralized database for the entire line and digitize this entire line. And we don't stop there. We actually take all this data to, of course, to the centralized database, and then we integrate that with the ERP system. And then maybe lastly, I would just say that our machine shop solution is one of the most comprehensive solution that is available in India right now. So when it comes to Industry 4.0, we are talking some latest technology. The vendor has to be a very seasoned IT company. Sometimes people get confused with Industry 4.0 with industrial automation. So these are two very different aspects. We are a very seasoned IT company. We have been doing this for last 17 years. We have a strong knowledge of technology. We have strong knowledge of building various such critical solutions. When it comes to data security, when it comes to data migrations from one end to another end, comes to us naturally. This is what we have been doing. We have put in all our experience over the years when we designed the architecture. And I was mentioning earlier to you that sfHawk is highly scalable, highly flexible, secure, very customizable platform. We own the entire platform when it comes to hardware and when it comes to software. We have no dependency on any third party, and if our customer asks for some kind of customization and they have some very unique process or a unique requirement, we are able to make a change in our software or hardware because both are in our control. So the entire IP is owned by us, and that makes us very, very flexible when it comes to customization. There are many good vendors in this industry. They are doing great job. The way we understand is they offer niche solutions. Some are very good with casting, some they are very good with machining. The way we look at it completely holistic picture of implementing such solutions. That's why we have built this entire end-to-end solution. And I'll give you a real example. from pressure die casting to the heat treatment, to the machining, then maybe leak testing, maybe then CMM, and finally to the shipping. So we digitize this entire line, and we don't stop there. We actually take all this data to, of course, to the centralized database, and then we integrate that with the ERP system. So that makes us very unique. We offer complete big picture of Industry 4.0. And when it comes to the maturity, when it comes to the knowledge, when it comes to mature processes, InnovaPoint is there. From all this maturity comes sfHawk, which is much more youthful, much more agile, more energetic, ready to take on any challenges. I've been working with this youth for last many years, and in sfHawk we were able to build this team which is very, very passionate when it comes to solving a problem, when it comes to building some very innovative and creative technology solutions. So sfHawk is a very dynamic, very, very passionate, energetic brand, but it holds the ethical and honesty as its values.
Thank you so much, sir. It was pleasure knowing about sfHawk, and I'm sure that InnovaPoint and sfHawk is going to hit the IMTEX with latest solutions and more customer inquiries. If you see InnovaPoint website, they say technology may seem like an option, but your future is not. Stay tuned with Machine Maker.